Imagine waking up every morning to an open city view, surrounded by nature, privacy, and complete tranquility. This stunning, brand-new property offers 500 square meters of construction, set on a 1,600 square meter lot in the exclusive Vereda El Jardín. Designed for those who value space, comfort, and luxury in every detail, it features 4 spacious bedrooms and 9 bathrooms, perfect for both living and entertaining at the highest level. Enjoy a true resort-style experience at home. A heated pool, jacuzzi, and Turkish bath, all created for relaxation and escape. The property also includes a separate apartment, ideal for guests, rental income, or staff. Located just 10 minutes from Medellín in a peaceful rural setting where life slows down and quality of living rises. A truly unique property, ready to move in. Asking price, 2 billion Colombian pesos. If you're looking for a strong investment or your dream home, this property delivers on every level.